Hey there, Fitness here, in the wetlands of the Arboretum. Uh, Wanted to talk about uh, gains rather than losses, but see, today was weigh-in. I unfortunately gained 4 pounds this week, which it seems uh, really weird that your body so easily will put it on, but not so easily take it off. So we're out here doing our walk at the Arboretum. Sadly, no one joined me, even though I posted an event. Hopefully, some people start coming with me because it's a lot more fun when you have more people here. So let me go get my however many miles this place is, and I'll check back with you.